All right, with winter being here and it's minus 40 outside in Edmonton, Alberta, we're going to talk about your RX, your Lexus TX, and your Lexus NX with the new electronic door latch system here. So if your battery dies and it's cold outside and you need to get in, so what you're going to do, take a card, you're going to pop this off, that opens this side. And then you're going to push this little handle from this side right here. That'll release this little cover. Now in that cover, you're going to see that you have a key slot there. You're going to take your key, looks just like this, push on the side on the one side, and then you're going to be able to pull out a mechanical key like this. With that mechanical key, you're going to put it in here. You're going to unlock your door. That is going to allow you to pull from underneath, and that's going to open the door. The battery isn't dead on this one, so this won't do anything, but otherwise that would open the door. That'll let you into the car. You can then pop your hood, and if you need to boost it, you're going to come around to the front here. And inside, this is typically for the hybrid. Well, this is for a hybrid, but inside here, you're going to see a little red latch. It might be facing this way instead of sideways, but you're going to open that little red latch just like that. This is your positive battery terminal. So you're going to hook your positive onto here. One thing I will tell you about hybrids is you do not boost another vehicle from a hybrid. This is to boost the actual hybrid car. So your positive is going to go here. Your negative, in most cases, I like to put it onto this, but you can hook it to anywhere that's basically metal that's safe and not going to damage anything. So that'll let you boost the car. And if you are looking to charge it after the fact, for the hybrid system in the trunk area, it'll be under your tonneau cover or under your rear cargo cover. You're going to pop this up, and underneath here you're going to have your actual battery that starts the car. So you do want to make sure that this stays charged, because if that freezes, obviously it's kind of in a tough place to access to get warm and warm it up in the back there as well. So otherwise, if you have any questions, by all means comment and link below. This is how you would typically also boost any hybrid, whether it's a Toyota or a Lexus. But specifically for the RX, the all-new TX, I'm guessing the new GX, we haven't seen them yet, and the NX, with the new electronic door latches, that is how you're going to boost them, especially in the cold weather and when the batteries are dying and stuff too. All right, thanks for watching. This is Mike here at Lexus South Point. Have a great day.